Gadgets Review.
Top 5 Best Digital Oscilloscope Buy in 2022.
Number 5.
Siglent Technologies SD-SOM1104XE 100 MHz Digital Oscilloscope 4 Channel Standard Decoder. Gray. Brand name Siglent Technologies. Capacity 3 kilograms. Color gray. Display type TFT LCD. EN 764,560,085,678. 8,011,529,266,756. Global Trade Identification Number 764,560,085,678. Height 42.0 centimeters. Included components SD-SOM1104XE Quickstar. Calibration certificate. 4 passive probes. USB cable. Item shape rectangular. Item thickness 26.0 centimeters. Item weight 6.61 pounds. Length 26.0 centimeters. Manufacturer series number SD-SOM1000XE. Measurement system metric. Model number SD-SOM1104XE. Number of items 1. Part number SD-SOM1104XE. Power source type bus, size 1, pack, style decoder, UNSPSC code 52,150,000, UPC 764,560,085,678, width 29.0 centimeters.
Number 4.
Siglent Technologies SD-SOM1202XE 200 MHz Digital Oscilloscope 2 channels. Gray. Brand name Siglent Technologies. Color gray. Display type 7-inch TFT LCD. 800x480, EN 764,560,083,070, 784,672,492,652, 695,087,809,419. Included components SD-SOM1202XE, Quickstar, 2 200 MHz passive probes, 1 USB cable, item weight 5.51 pounds, manufacturer series number SD-SOM1000XE, measurement system US, model number SD-SOM1202XE, number of items 1, part number SD-SOM1202XE, power source type corded electric, style oscilloscope, plus power supply, one option from $758, country of origin, China, real-time sampling rate up to 1 GSA/use, I record length up to 14 MPTS, standard serial bus triggering and decode, supports EG, SPI, UART, RS-232, CAN, and LIN.
Number 3.
Siglent Technologies SD-SOM1104XE 100 MHz Superphosphor Digital Oscilloscopes 4 channels. Brand name Siglent Technologies. EN 788,383,069,608. Included components USB cable 1, Quickstar 1, passive probe 4, certification 1, power cord 1. Item weight 8.5 pounds. Manufacturer series number SD-SOM1000XU. Measurement accuracy less or equal plus 3.0%. 5 MV/div 10V/div less or equal plus 4.0%, less or equal to MV/div, model number SD-SOM1104XU, number of items 1, part number SD-SOM1104XU, power source type corded electric, UNSPSC code 41,110,000, UPC 788,383,069,608, 100 MHz bandwidth, real-time sampling rate up to 1 GSA/s, record length up to 14 MPTS, serial bus triggering and decoding, standard, supports protocols IIC, SPI, UART, CAN, LIN, advanced measurements on full memory, 14 MPTS, large 7-inch TFT LCD display with 800*480 resolution.
Number 2.
Siglent Technologies SD-SOM1052DL plus 50 MHz Digital Storage Oscilloscope. Brand name Siglent Technologies. EN 713,839,551,369. Global Trade Identification Number 713,839,551,369. Height 6.2 inches. Item weight 7.36 pounds. Length 12.7 inches. Manufacturer series number SD-SOM1000L plus. Vitamins. 2-channel digital oscilloscope for electronics applications such as product design, assembly lines, repair and servicing, and electrical engineering education. Maximum real-time sample rate of 500 ms/s, 1 channel and record length of 32 kpts, 1 channel for acquiring detailed waveforms. New, higher resolution display, advanced triggers for isolation of specific signals. Cursors, math, built-in frequency counter. Automatic measurements now includes USB and LAN interfaces.
Number 1.
Siglent Technologies SD1102 CML Plus Digital Storage Oscilloscope, 100 MHz, 100 ms, 2-channel digital oscilloscope for electronics applications such as product design, assembly lines, repair and servicing, and electrical engineering education. Maximum real-time sample rate of 1 S/s and record length of 1 Mbps. Single channel. New version of the SD1102 CML Plus includes improved high-resolution display, cursors, math, automatic measurements, built-in frequency counter, USB and LAN interfaces. Comes with Easy Scope software.